Are you having muscle, tendon, ligament, or joint pain? Stem cells might be the answer.
This is not based on an MRI or based on an X-ray that I treat people. I base on touching them, getting their history, moving them around, and very often I can find the spot that is the pain generator. Not always, but most of the time I can tell people in about 1 minute what's going on after I touch the body, wherever it is. I don't care what part of the body it is. I don't diagnose based on MRIs or other images. I like to have them because it's good ancillary information, and once in a while we'll find a tumor or something like that that has to be removed. You can have a tumor that's sitting on a nerve. So I always like to get an image, but I don't treat based on that image. I treat based on my examination.
Want our free guide on natural healing options? Comment HEAL below and we'll send it to you.